So we're in the brand new Gen 3 Raptor. I have the Gen 2, which I love, but the nice thing with the Gen 3 is they've updated the interior. We've also done some exterior mods too. So let's talk through that today. So first impressions on the Gen 3 are that they've gone really techy as far as screens go. They've gone for huge screens in the cab of this to kind of match with the Rams out there on the market that have the tablet size screen. So as you can see here, it has a giant touchscreen. Also, it's a big digital screen on the Speedo. Another cool thing that they've done is they do a fold down shifter that the armrest folds out to a table. Then the rest of the truck is pretty much the same, just slightly different materials they used. They went a lot more with the brushed stainless, metal accents, cloth accents, in addition to leather. So overall, I really like the configuration they've done with this new Raptor. It feels and drives like the same as the Gen 2 Raptor. Obviously, Gen 1 was a whole different animal and completely different setup, but Gen 2 and Gen 3 are similar enough in driving style. However, the one we are in is the 37 package, which means we have 37-inch tires instead of the standard 35 that come on most Raptors. So that is a huge difference when you're talking about ground clearance and the abilities this truck has. So to fold this down, all you do is hit the button, shifter folds down, and then once it's folded down, you push this button in and you have your table, which is really nice to have a large table. This could be a work surface, you could eat in the car, anything you want to do, but having this nice work surface is really great. And then to pull the shifter back up, you push the button again. I have to say though, this shifter is not my favorite. I like the Gen 2 shifter a lot better than this new folding Gen 3 shifter. However, the ability to have a table is really nice if you're working in the vehicle because they are equipped with Wi-Fi on board. Down here you have a wireless charging, which is a cool update, and then of course a little stop so it holds your phone with a rubber pad. Of course, USB-C, USB ports, heated seats, air conditioned seats, all the standard Raptor stuff that you could expect. Here's the giant screen. So you could set up how you want. You could bump your navigation over, make it full size. You could go into audio. You can go into phone. You could go into your settings and features of the vehicle. There's also power on board that you can use your built-in system to generate power in your truck, in the bed, or in the cab. So there's a lot of options that you can do with this truck. And then over here, you have this digital dash, which is really nice. This new digital dash allows you to see everything that's happening in the truck, similar to the Gen 2 dash, but the difference is this is fully digital, where the Gen 2 was a combo of analog gauges and digital dash in the middle. So the nice thing is they've gone all digital with this, so that's really wonderful. So in this Raptor, as all Raptors have, they have the Bang & Olufsen speaker system, which is unbelievably great. You have a lot of controls here on the door panel that you can use and adjust. They also have side lighting built in the mirrors, and you have buttons here that control those as well. You have a tailgate release button here, so you have all your controls kind of set up in the cockpit for the driver. Lots on the steering wheel, auto cruise control mode, things like that. So you have so much configuration ability in these trucks, which really makes it wonderful. So on the outside, you can see that this is the white paint on the Raptor. You have the side lighting here, and then moving over, let's take a closer look at the wheel and tire package. These are the Ford wheels with the 37-inch BFG tires. They are snow rated, which is, they perform really well in my experience driving these Raptors in the snow. So they're really great tires. In the front, you can see lots of lighting on this truck, accent lighting. It also has the built-in rigid fog lights, which is really nice. This, because it's the 37-inch package, has all the graphics, so topo graphics and big 37 lettering, which we'll show you shortly on the back. Then it has these flat black accent pieces, venting, and then the running boards that are standard on the Raptors. Going to the back, you can see the big 37-inch package graphics, which is really nice here. It does have a bed camera on the top where the light is. And circling to the back, you have the normal Raptor basically badge that goes across the tailgate. You have your trailer hitch stuff, your tailgate release, which is a soft open, has a built-in step here, built-in table with measurements. To release it, you just push the button in, it pops out, and it just folds down, and then you have a little handy handrail that comes out to get into your vehicle. You have built-in bed, power, and lighting as well. And you press it one more time, and then the tailgate automatically closes. You don't have to lift your tailgate up anymore. This still has the full top that's glass. Overall, I really love this truck. If you're looking for Raptor, dealership we work with here has a couple in stock, Gen 3, Gen 2, and they're awesome trucks. Make sure to reach out to them. The information for who to reach out to here will be in the description below.